Hello. Today, let me introduce you to the wonders of Hokkaido in winter, especially its incredible food. Hokkaido is famous throughout Japan for its delicious cuisine, and winter is the best season to enjoy its specialties. From fresh seafood to hearty, hot pots and unique desserts, there's something for everyone. Let's dive into the details. Sharp. First up, seafood. The highlight of Hokkaido in winter. Hokkaido is a seafood paradise, especially in winter when many delicacies are in season. Let's start with crab. Snow crab, king crab, and hairy crab are at their peak, offering sweet, juicy meat. You can enjoy them boiled, in hot pots, or even as sushi. Next, seafood rice bowls are a must-try. Known as kaisandon, these bowls are topped with fresh salmon, roe, sea urchin, scallops, and salmon. They're not only delicious but also a feast for the eyes. If you love sushi, Hokkaido's sushi is on another level. Freshly caught fish from local pots means every bite melts in your mouth. Sharp hot pot dish is perfect for warming up in the cold. Winter in Hokkaido isn't complete without enjoying a hot pot. One of the most famous is Ishikari Nabe. This miso-based hot pot features salmon and plenty of vegetables, making it both nutritious and comforting. It's perfect for warming you up on a chilly day. Another popular dish is chonko nabe, traditionally a sumo wrestler's meal. In Hokkaido, it often features seafood, giving it a unique and luxurious twist. For meat lovers, there's also Genghis Khan, a hot pot style grilled lamb dish that's juicy and flavorful. Sharp dairy products and desserts. Hokkaido's sweet side. Hokkaido is known for its dairy products, and they're used to create some of the most delicious desserts. For example, Hokkaido soft serve ice cream is rich and creamy, and enjoying it in the snow is a one-of-a-kind experience. Famous local sweets include Shiroi Koibito, a buttery cookie with white chocolate, and Rokati's butter sandwiches. These make great souvenirs. Don't forget to try cheesecakes and puddings made with Hokkaido milk. They're indulgent and unforgettable. Sharp pairing food with winter attractions. In Hokkaido, you can combine incredible food with unique winter experiences. Sapporo Snow Festival held every February. This event features stunning snow and ice sculptures. While you explore, enjoy street food like ramen, zangi Hokkaido-style fried chicken, and grilled corn from the local food stalls. Skiing and snowboarding resorts like Niseko and Furano are world famous. After a day on the slopes, warm up with a hot pot or fresh seafood at a local restaurant. Hot springs and traditional meals. Places like Noboribetsu and Lake Toya offer rejuvenating hot springs. After your soak, you can savor traditional multi-course meals featuring seasonal local ingredients. Sharp why international visitors will love Hokkaido. 1. Language-friendly options. Many restaurants in major cities like Sapporo and Otaru have English menus, making it easy to order. 2. Convenient access. New Chitose Airport connects you to Sapporo quickly, so you can start your culinary adventure right away. 3. A truly unique experience. The combination of snowy landscapes and incredible food makes Hokkaido a winter destination like no other. Winter in Hokkaido is a feast for both your eyes and your taste buds. Whether it's the fresh seafood, hearty, hot pots, or sweet treats, every meal is an unforgettable experience. Pair it with a stunning snowy scenery, and you have a winter getaway you'll never forget. Come and experience the magic of Hokkaido this winter.